100 million naira Evangelist Ebuka promised to share to all the people that attended that crusade, that concluded crusade in Enugu, was actually shared this week. These people are the Enugu branch. After they received their own money, you can see the way they are chanting Evangelist Ebuka's name. Very happy. Those are this video for all those people that think that 100 million naira is too big for Zell Mercy to give out, saying that it's RNG to see Namoke Akarigegu. One thing these people fail to understand is that Evangelist Ebuka is not and can never be in competition with anybody. And if he actually want to be in competition with any of them, Haga have no be by church or church. So I saw a lot of people, including Elijah Enugu, trying to say that now RNG, upon actually cause issue that day, and you could not get that 100 million, as if that that if not to avoid stampede and fight and buying people self, that money would have been shared that day. One thing they fail to understand is that Evangelist Ebuka is a giver. Some of all those things is not his problem, and that is one reason why I from the first time I came closer to Zell Ministry, I mark him. He's not those type that puts money doing fine boy pastor, doing Jericho, buying goosey, expensive, trying to wear gold, the penguin pastor that focus more on money, private jet, building their personal interest. No, he's not like that, So that's one of the reasons why I love him. This way, when we are talking about, people will think that they are paying you money, this one and that one. But when you take a closer look to him, you know that he's totally different from all these things. So I don't want to make this video to be long. The thing is that the 100 million was actually shared today, and I think Enugu people share about 70 million or so. So watch this video. It's from Ada Ubuluku, and Ada, I commend you for your professional journalism. I always enjoy watching your video, the way you analyze things, the way you do your stuff. So make sure you share this video after watching. And have a nice weekend.
Are so happy and excited. Wow, 70 million shared and they're already going home. Amazing.
We are flying. This is money that already belongs to us. You say that we should
And this is how it began. It was an orderly arrangement, 25 booths as the coordinator, the Southeast admin, Mr. Romano said, and the monies were on the table. It was orderly, it was arranged properly. I hope that other states take a cue from this arrangement. The spacing, everything was beautiful and it was done orderly. And even when it was about to get rowdy, they stopped it and then they continued. You can see thousands of them who have received their monies, 2,000 naira each, and it is still going to go around. Fantastic, amazing stuff. But I'm just here to show you how it's been done. This is live right now, happening now at Enugu State at the National Grammar School, Nike. So if you have not collected your money and you are here, I don't know if you can pick up, but yes, different states are sharing. We'll be giving you updates on the other states from Imo to Anambra to Ebonyi, Abakaliki, and the others. So stay tuned. Abia is also sharing. It's such an amazing initiative. 70 million being shared right now at Enugu State right now. A big thank you to Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Thank you to God for using him to bless minds and people nationwide.
Let's go! Come on! Let's go! Let's go! Again!